How to make money on TikTok without holding stock through TikTok affiliate. This is a complete tutorial for steps like how to register, add products, create videos, and get paid. This video is a bit long, so please save it first so you don't forget. To become a TikTok affiliate, the first requirement is to be 18 years or older, and the second most important requirement is to have at least 1,000 followers. If you have less than 1,000 followers, you can't proceed. I am a TikTok specialist who always helps you increase sales and views on TikTok. Remember to follow me first. Let's go to video number 1. Make sure you have 1,000 followers first. Once you have enough followers, go to Settings, click on Creator Tools, scroll down to find TikTok Shop for Creators, and enter there. Make sure all your account information is filled out first, and then you can start adding products. In the Add Product section, search for what you want, like Asam Laksa for today. Once you see the commission, you can click Add, and it will be added. Then go back to the TikTok Shop button and refresh. You will see it in your showcase, meaning you can create a video now. So go ahead and record a video for that product and upload it to TikTok, then click Next. After that, the most important part is to add a description and relevant hashtags for the video and add the link. This is important to add the product, so find the product you added in the showcase and click Add. Change the description a bit and you can host it. Make sure it is in the union system. After that, people will watch the video, and if they like it, they will click to buy. If someone buys, the seller of the product you typed will ship out the goods, so you don't have to do any packing. After 7 days, when the customer receives the goods, you will get payment through the TikTok affiliate system, and then you can withdraw it to your bank account. It's easy to make money on TikTok, so if you find these tips helpful, please like and share this video with all your friends to help them make more money for themselves.